आप सुन रहे हैं समाचार एजेंसी ऑफ इंडिया की साई न्यूज में ऑडियो बुलेटिन।
You are listening the national level audio bulletin of the Samachar Agency of India from Preeti Bhosle on 14th August 2020. Here is a total COVID cases of coronavirus 24,65,650 and recovered cases are 17,53,709. Today's headlines are President Ramnath Kovind to address the nation on the event of the 74th Independence Day today. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will assure the medal and of the Indian support in the mitigating economic impact of COVID-19 pandemic. US President Donald Trump announced the historic peace deal between the UAE and Israel to establishment for diplomatic reasons. Government forms the 5-member panel to probe the Kosikode plant crash. Rajasthan Assembly session being today amid the ongoing political crisis. President Ramnath Kovind will address the nation on the event of the 74th Independence Day today. The address will be the broadcast from the 7 p.m. onward to the entire national network of all India in telecast of all channel. All Indian radio broadcast the region language version of the president address from the 9:30 p.m. It is respectively regional networks broadcast of the address in Hindi and English on the Doordarshan will be followed by the broadcasting in the regional language by the regional channel of the Doordarshan. The national will celebrate the 74th Independence tomorrow. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will lead the nation in the celebrating the Independence Day at a majestic red fort in New Delhi. The Prime Minister will be unfurl the national flag and address the national from the rampart of the iconic monument. Security has the tightening for the national capital in a view of the celebration. A full dress rehearsal was held at a Red Fort yesterday from the Independence Day celebration. In a run of the 74th Independence celebration, we bring to you today a special story about the multiple initiatives for the making New India. The Narendra Modi lead the government has several initiatives to achieve a goal of making a new India. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has given a clarion call for create an India which will be the clean, free from corruption, poverty, terrorism and the casteism, in free for the communism. In the last 5 years, government has launched a various schemes, including the housing for the all by 2022 under the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana, doubling from the farmers' income and the Ayushman Bharat Yojana. Taking exclusive Niti Aayog for the Vice Chairman Dr. Rajiv Kumar said in order to release a dream of New India, it is necessary to convert the challenges posed by the COVID pandemic into the opportunity. He said it is a direction for government is promoting investment in the private sector. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has said that the tax system in a country is becoming a faceless and it will be give a taxpayer a feeling of the fairness and the fairness. Launching transparent taxation on his platform through the video conferencing in New Delhi yesterday. Mr. Modi said the administration should be solved the problem instead of confusing the taxpayer. Everything from the technology of the rules should be the simple. He said the identities of the taxpayer and the tax officer should be not matter at all. Prime Minister said the effort is making the tax system seamless and painless and faceless. Mr. Modi said looking for the commitment toward the reform and confidence of the foreign investors is also increasing the continuously toward the India. He said the arrival of the record the foreign directly investment to the India even during the corona crisis is an example of it. The Prime Minister said the government brought in the Viva Seva Vishwas scheme so that the maximum cases get the resolved outside the court. As a result, a short time about the 3 lakh cases have been resolved. Welcome the new tax platform president of the National Industry Body ASSOCHAM, Dr. Niranjan Hirnandanani has said that the transparent tax schemes would encourage the voluntary tax filing. He said the initiative announcement by the Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi is a move toward the making entire tax filing system in a hassle-free and the painless experience of the taxpayer. In effort of the guard against the fake news of being the circulate for the various platforms, we will bring you the segment of the fake check and myth blusters. A document is also being shared in the social platform as a new taxpayer charter of India. The Ministry of the Finance has the term the claim as a fake and informed that the widely shared document on the platform in the fact of the taxpayer charter of the foreign and country and the north of India. Citizen can visit the website incometaxindia.gov.in to the view actual taxpayers charters and the country unveiled by the Prime Minister. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh launched the Naval Innovation and Indigenization Organization NIIO through the online webinar. The NIIO puts the place the dedicated structure for the users and interact with the academic industry toward the fostering innovation and the indigenization for the self-reliance in the defense. Union Information and Broadcasting Minister Prakash Javadekar has said the new national education policy will ensure the accessibility, equality, equity, affordability, accountability. Addressing a webinar, the National Education Policy NEP yesterday, the minister said he had seen the process of the formulation of the policy closely when he was the Human Resource Development Minister. Mr. Javadekar said it is an education policy that will be take the Indian forward. The ministry said if you are study on the policy, one will be the release that the education for all it is a basis. He said those the students who do not come in the school system are being sought to the broad under the it. In Rajasthan, amid for the ongoing political crisis in the state assembly session is set on the brink today. The circular session beginning today would be seen in the ruling Congress move and the motion for the trust vote and BJP move for no confidence motion. Ahead of the session, both our party held their the legislative party meeting in Jaipur yesterday. The health minister has said the World Health Organization WHO has advised 140 testing per day per million population, and the ministry said the focused center lead to the effort and effective implementation by the state and union territory. 34 of them have been exceeded this requirement. In Bihar, a record number over the 1 lakh COVID-19 tested have been conducted in the last 24 hours. Altogether, 13,37,000 tests have been conducted. Meanwhile, Union Minister Raju Shankar Prasad visited the Patna Medical College Hospital (PMCH) and the Nalanda Medical Hospital College and Hospital (NMCH) in Patna to take a stock and the facilities being provided to the COVID infection patients. The ministry assured that the possible help would be the extended state government from the center tackle COVID pandemic. Gujarat record 1,092 new corona cases during the last 24 hours. According to the state health department, the recovery rate has improved further to reach up the 77.42%. You were listening the national level audio bulletin of the Samachar Agency of India from Preeti Bhosle on 14th August 2020. We will take this bulletin on 16th August 2020. If you like this bulletin, then you must be like it, subscribe and share it.
आइए हम आपको बताते हैं समाचार एजेंसी ऑफ इंडिया के चैनल को आपको किस तरह सब्सक्राइब करना है। समाचार एजेंसी ऑफ इंडिया के चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करने के लिए आप सबसे पहले ब्राउज़र खोलिए या तो आपके पास यूट्यूब होगा, यूट्यूब को खोलिए। यूट्यूब में आप सर्च करिए, सर्च बटन पर टाइप कीजिए LIMTY स्पेस दीजिए KHARE। जैसे ही आप ये करते हैं ये आपके सामने खुल जाएगा। इसके खुलने के बाद आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पर साई SAI आपको ये दिखाई दे रहा है। लाल रंग का जो बटन आपको ये दिख रहा है लाल रंग का, इसको आप क्लिक करिएगा। जैसे ही आप इसको क्लिक करते हैं इसका रंग लाल नहीं रह जाएगा। इसके बाद दाएं कोने पर जाइए, दाएं कोने पर ऑल पर्सनलाइज नन, इसमें आप ऑल को क्लिक कर दीजिए। जैसे ही आप ऑल पर्सनलाइज बटन को प्रेस करेंगे, ऑल बटन दबाएं। जैसे ही आप ऑल बटन दबाते हैं आप इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर देते हैं। इसके बाद आप देखेंगे यहाँ पर सब्सक्राइब वाला बटन आपको लाल नहीं दिखाई देगा। आप सब्सक्राइब समाचार एजेंसी ऑफ इंडिया की साइन न्यूज़ या समाचार एजेंसी ऑफ इंडिया को सब्सक्राइब करते जैसे ही आप करेंगे उसके बाद समाचार एजेंसी ऑफ इंडिया और साइन न्यूज़ पर जैसे जैसे वीडियोस अपलोड होंगे वैसे ही बिना देर के आपको ये सारे वीडियोस के नोटिफिकेशंस आने चालू हो जाएंगे। आप समाचार एजेंसी ऑफ इंडिया की सारे वीडियोस देख सकेंगे। आप इसका लाभ ज़रूर उठाइए, सब्सक्राइब करिए और दोस्तों को कहिए वे भी सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए। नमस्कार।